Hi friends, I'm Ankit and today I will show you how to lock Excel file with password. Friends, if you want to password protect your important Excel file, then you simply need to click on Review tab. Now here click on Protect Sheet. Now here you need to enter the password. Now click on OK. Now you need to re-enter the password. Now click on OK. Now our Excel worksheet is password protected. Now we will close this file and reopen it. Now if we try to make any changes, then a pop-up will appear on the screen. Now to unprotect this sheet, you need to click on Review. Now click on Unprotect Sheet and enter the password and click on OK. Now you can make changes to this sheet. So friends, like this you can very easily lock Excel file with password. I hope you find this video useful.
If you like the video, then press on like button and don't forget to subscribe our channel and press on bell icon to receive email notifications free of cost.